everyone, this is Maria, and Joey and I are in Little Tokyo in Los Angeles. We just decided this morning to take a train, the Metrolink. And so we came upon this 2018 Tanabata Festival. Look how beautiful these are. They're just so beautiful. And so let's go ahead and walk through here. I don't know what they're made of. Oh, they look like they're made of flowers, you guys. It looks like flowers and some other materials. Look how pretty. I want to show you the front of this one, this little girl here. She's so cute. And here she is. Look how beautiful. I know I keep saying that, but it is. Joey, what do you think of all of these?
That's cool. Look at how much work it takes to do those little...
So Joey just pointed out all of the little bird origamis and how much time it must have taken to make these. Just so neat. I just learned that this festival, the Tanabata Festival, is based on a story of two lovers, and so they come together once a year in July. And so, yeah, it's just such a beautiful story, you guys. I'm going to see if I can find out some more information about it. And so what we did was, I got to write a wish at this booth. They gave me a slip of paper and tie it to the tree. And it's just such a beautiful idea, and I can hardly wait to learn more about this story. Okay, Furry Feline Creatives, you guys, and this is one of the creators, right?
Yep.
And so this is for YouTube, okay?
Oh, sure,
so I'll put your information in the discussion box so people can find you.
Sure.
And look at this, you guys. They come up with these designs, and look how adorable that is. Oh my gosh, and I love this one with the cats.
Yeah.
And then they have plushes.
Yep, all handmade by the artist, which is my wife.
Oh wow! Well, tell her she does a great job. Look at this octopus, you guys. So what's the price range of
so
the plush?
they vary from $20 to like this one would be like around $70. This is all handmade and hand sewn.
Okay, 70 you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it kind of varies. Yeah, this one is a removable taiyaki.
Oh, how
so
cute.
magnetic right here. All hand stitch.
Oh, okay. It's magnetic, you guys, not Velcro.
Yep.
Wow. And I love this octopus. He's awesome. He's really awesome. And oh my gosh, I have to laugh at that.
This is our production. This is what we call the king of the throne. You press the button right here on the side.
And it flushes.
It flushes. It's also removable.
Oh wow.
And interchangeable.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome, you guys. How much is that one?
This one, the whole set is actually $50.
Uh-huh.
You could actually get this particular one for $35. This is $15 each.
Okay.
So the set would give you a free.
How cute. Aren't those cute, Joey? I mean, they do all of this. And then look at, there's tote bags, you guys. There's more plush. Yeah, definitely look in the discussion box for all of this information, you guys. These make great gifts. Treat yourself for these. I don't know what this is. This looks like
A toiletry bag.
Oh, it's an okay. This is a little bag for toiletries. Isn't that cute, you guys?
And inside, there's another zipper. That way, you keep all your separated.
How much is that?
This is only $12.
Wow.
So water resistant.
Those
too.
are cute, you guys. Really super cute. And then look at this over here.
Headbands. Bacon and eggs.
Headbands. Oh my gosh, so cute. Wow, this is awesome.
Thank you. Check also all our shirts. One thing that's known about us is our fabric. So this is the type of fabric that we use. It's so soft.
Oh yeah, it is soft. It's like Disney fabric, you guys. That's why I love my Disney shirts. So look at this, you guys. This is where we were at. And so now we're going to go into the mall over here. And so I think it's over here, Little Tokyo Mall. We want to go check that out because I want to see if I can find a Daiso Japan store. It's really cool, you guys. There's so much to look at. I love these old buildings. Look at the fire escapes on them. Here's a sushi restaurant. I'm not into sushi, you guys. I'm more into tacos and chips and salsa. I wonder what all these chairs are for, Joey.
Maybe we got some kind of parade going on here.
Yeah, I saw some chairs back there that had like chains on them. And so, oh, like this one right here. Oh, so you can't come through here. Look how pretty, you guys. So we really don't know where we're going, but you know what? This is not our first time here, but it's been a long time since we've been here. At least, gosh, I want to say more than 20 years. Look at the tree with all of the wishes on it, Joey. See the tree with all of the wishes?
Oh, yeah. This is exactly
Passing through, you guys. So look at all of this yumminess. Joey, let's go check this out.
Check it out.
This sort of reminds me of a Daiso store, you guys. Look how cute. And check out all of these squishies. Look how cute. I love that one. It says Snoopy. Look at a friend. Cinnamon rolls. And the fish. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute, and they're only $5.99 each. Look at all of the erasers. Wow. Check out this building, you guys. That's Reagan, President Reagan there. Just look at all of that artwork over there. And so Joey's right here. And so we really wish we could watch the parade, but Joey, the parade doesn't start till 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pass, you guys. And so, but anyways, it says right here, this sign, Little Tokyo, Toy District, Warehouse District. But actually we want to go to Daiso, Japan. But Joey, look at that building, isn't that neat?
Oh, yeah.
I love old buildings, you guys, especially these old brick buildings. So Joey, have you given up? You guys, the building behind us is where the Daiso Japan is supposed to be. It's supposed to be a mall, and it's closed, you guys. And so, but look at this building. Look at the cat on there. I love this art, you guys, and the dragon. So cool. But I think we're going to head on back to catch the train, Joey.
Yep.
Let's get something to drink first, okay? I did see like the coffee bean up here. So, okay, you guys, so we found the mall. It's right where the coffee bean place is. We're gonna get a drink. And so we walked into this mall. So I remember the store before that we went up to was up there, Joey, remember?
Yep.
And so, but anyway, so we're gonna head on into Daiso, and look how big it looks. So I went into the Daiso Japan store, you guys, and I was a little disappointed here at the store in Little Tokyo because it's not as big as the one like we have in Rancho and Chino Hills. It's nice and it's clean, the people were friendly, but yeah, it was small. It was really small, you know? And so, but anyways, but I'm glad we came because Joey, now my curiosity is over. I don't feel like I ever have to come in search of Daiso in LA again. But if you live in the area or you just happen to be in the area, then it's nice to stop by. So, okay, I did pick up a couple of things for our Halloween stash, Joey, to give away to kids for Halloween trick-or-treaters.
Yep.
So it's pretty warm, you guys. We're gonna go get something cold to drink at the Coffee Bean, and then we're gonna go back and catch, is it a train that we're catching, Joey? What would you call it? Like a metro type thing?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna head back to Union Station, and we're gonna go grab some lunch/dinner at Alvaro Street. Are you hungry, Joey?
I'm hungry.
I am too. Okay, bye you guys. Thanks for coming along today. Bye. Joey and I, we stopped here at the Coffee Bean, and I have to show you. Look at Joey. He is relaxing. Look at this booth, you guys. It's all enclosed. And so we've just been hanging out in here, and the girl was just telling me they were thinking about taking these out. And I said, oh, no, don't take these out, because I think it'd be so much fun to come back here with my sister and her husband, or maybe my son and his girlfriend and her son, and just hang out in here when we're down here in LA at Little Tokyo. Are you chilling, Joey? Are you just chilling? so I'm gonna go check out one more store, you guys. I asked the girl about it. It's a store I went to like 30 years ago, Joey, when I got that ticket. Yeah, parking ticket. And so I'm gonna go check it out. Okay, come on, Joey. I'm running out of battery, you guys, so I'm really gonna say goodbye. Bye, everyone. Okay, we're walking back towards the train station, but I just had to take a little bit of video of Los Angeles, you guys. And look at the traffic. Oh my gosh. And so anyways, let's head back to the train station, Joey. Yay, you guys. They've had us running all over the place. And so first our train wasn't going to come. We had to take a bus. Then they sent us up to catch another train. And now this is a different train. But we're heading home. Bye, you guys. Thanks for